Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over memory foam mattresses versus hybrid memory foam mattresses. We're going to dive into some of those and kind of tell you the difference. We're in our clearance section here. This is some of our clearance beds, so we have a wide variety of beds to kind of go through and walk you guys through.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
This is a Tempur-Pedic. This is 100% memory foam. This is a little bit of an older bed. It's one of our older displays that we have here, but this is 100% memory foam. So one of the main advantages of memory foam is pressure points. Memory foam mattresses are more conforming, so pressure points like your shoulder, your hips, stuff like that, it's able to conform more to your body. So that pressure point relief is a big reason why people like memory foam. The second reason people like memory foam beds is for motion isolation. So if you and your partner toss and turn, this, as far as comparing this to a spring mattress, is going to have less bounce. It's going to have less motion. Thing is, it kind of gives you a hugging sensation, like someone's hugging you. It's a little bit different if you've never slept on a memory foam at first, but after you get used to it, it really kind of cradles your body, relieves those pressure points, and really isolates that motion. Now, going into the three disadvantages that we have with memory foam beds, the most common complaint that you hear with memory foam is overheating. Now, memory foam, it kind of keeps your heat in. So if you go with a traditional memory foam mattress that doesn't have any like cooling gels or different types of cooling material, it's going to cause you to possibly overheat. So if you sleep hot, memory foam may not be the option for you. And then for our second reason is for if you toss and turn a light for,
Sorry. Take your time. Action.
And our second reason is the motion transfer. So if you toss and turn throughout the night, memory foam actually kind of remembers, that's why they call it memory foam, it kind of remembers your body. And if you move from that position, it takes a couple seconds for that to kind of go back to where it was. So you can kind of feel trapped if you toss and turn from one side to the other. Third reason for memory foam disadvantages is off-gassing. Now, a lot of memory foams, it's made from chemicals. So with that, you're going to have a chemical smell with a lot of these beds. Sometimes it takes a few days after you take it out of the package for the first time for it to really off-gas all those smells. And going into I'm sitting on a Sealy hybrid mattress here, so going over the advantages of a hybrid mattress with memory foam. So the first one is temperature regulation. So actually with springs, hybrid basically means you're going to have your memory foam on your top and you're going to have your springs underneath typically. And when you have springs underneath, it gives more room for air. So that temperature regulation, it kind of regulates itself more. Some beds have even like little side spots where actually airs can breathe through as the springs kind of collapse, air can kind of escape a little bit better. Having that for temperature regulation is great. Our second reason is ease of movement. So with having a hybrid mattress, you have that memory foam, your body kind of sinks into and it remembers your position, but then you have those springs kind of bouncing you back. So if you toss and turn, it's kind of nice because you don't get stuck like you will on an all memory foam mattress where it takes a second for it to come back. It kind of bounces back quicker. If you move a lot, memory foam mattresses or the hybrid mattresses are great. Our third reason is our edge support. So when you have a spring mattress, when you get close to the edge, even me sitting on the edge of the bed here, I could feel the coils in my leg. So kind of that gives you that bounce back. So when you're on the edge of the mattress, sometimes memory foam, you can kind of keep sinking towards it. With having that spring support on the end, it kind of bounces you back. So if you're on the edge of the bed, it kind of helps you if you sleep on the side of the bed, like I do with my dog and my girlfriend. Some of the disadvantages that we've seen with hybrid beds. First one is cost. Typically your hybrid mattresses, just because they have more layers, you have memory foam, spring, sometimes multiple layers of springs that go into it. So it takes a little bit more to make a hybrid mattress. So typically your cost is going to be higher. Other thing that we see with these is because the motion transfer is so easy, but with that you also have that bounce with the springs still. So it's easier to get in and out of one particular spot if you toss and turn, but if you sleep with someone else in the bed, they're going to also feel that a little bit more. Another disadvantage is hybrid mattresses are typically heavier. So if you're going to deliver and install this yourself, they take a little bit, sometimes it's a two-man job in order to get these into place the way you want it, because these are typically heavier beds than the standard memory foam mattress. Now to summarize, you have to know the way you sleep. So like on a hybrid mattress, if I sleep hot, or if I move a lot, or if I sleep on the edge of the bed, a hybrid mattress might be better for me personally. Now, if you like a more deep conforming sleep, or you like you have pressure points, say your lower back, or you have certain spots that really hurt, and you need to stay in a position for a longer period of time, a memory foam mattress might be a better choice for you. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.